I'm Ankit Mishra and I'm partners with Daveju. We have worked on a project called Smart Greenhouse. The problem that we're trying to solve here is twofold. Firstly, improving the efficiency of current plant growing systems, and second is allowing users to grow plants even when the temperature or the conditions are not favorable for it. What have we made for it? We made a smart greenhouse. It is basically a system which is a closed loop control system as well as an application of Internet of Things. It helps users to grow plants by monitoring important parameters like temperature, humidity, water, and light, and allowing the users to remotely control all of these parameters through a browser, which is then sent to the web and sent to the server, which is connected to the greenhouse and is maintaining all of these parameters by measuring them first and then comparing it with the value that the user wants and then maintaining that parameter. For example, this greenhouse is capable of maintaining a temperature of 25 degrees, 30 degrees, or a humidity of 30%, 40%, and so on.
Hi everyone, there is our real greenhouse, and you can see the blue box is water container, and you can inside the greenhouse we have some sensors here. This is moisture sensor on the roof. There are light sensor and temperature humidity sensor. There are two waves, and this all connect to the embed, and the embed will collect all the data sent to Raspberry Pi, and the Raspberry Pi will upload to cloud to control here the light and the fan and the heater and the two waves.
We're going to show how to use the greenhouse effectively. It's like we said, it's as easy as using a web page. Here I have got the greenhouse web page open, which you can see on the big screen. The greenhouse web page is divided into two sections. First section is the control section, where you can see you can enter values. We have some presets. And the second section is the actual sense data, which is live data, which updates every 15 seconds. The top three panels are for temperature, which is basically the sensor reading, which is 25 degrees right now, the threshold, which is 25 degrees, and the status of our controller, which is a heater. For humidity, we have similarly the sensor value, the threshold value, and the fan status, which is basically used to control the humidity. Similarly, we have fields for the light, for the moisture, for the two pots that we have, as well as the valves and the pump status, which are all available simply by opening the web page. Also, you can see we have some presets here. This is basically to allow the user to select a value. If the user is not very experienced with plants, they can just select a value and say submit, and this allows user to see the values over there, and user is allowed to change values to whatever they feel is the right value, and they can and submitting it to the greenhouse is as simple as clicking a button. Alright, so now let's go ahead and change some values so you can see all the actuators in action.
Hi everyone, right now you can see everything is off for our greenhouse. First, we will open the light, and next is the heater.